Let's go through how to complete commissions on the mortgage trade record sheet. Expand the mortgage trade record sheet. Expand mortgage detail section. Enter the expected finder's fees for an auto calculation, or simply click the unlock icon and enter manually the amount received. Receive date, today. If volume bonuses have also been received, you may also enter them through basis points or the received amount. The agent on the file receives what percentage of this volume bonus? Receive date can go here. If you'd like to split this volume bonus with an additional agent, click Add Agent Bonus, indicate which agent will be splitting this $21.79, and indicate if this will be a 50-50 split, I would add 50%. Please note that this 50% will be taken from this amount on line 1. All right, we may also continue on to fees and other income. If there is a broker fee, if there is some kind of bonus being paid, this is where I would add any additional sources of income. Use the deduction section to add any deductions, and indicate whether or not you would like to deduct before the split with a checkbox here. In the split section, we now have our total gross, $45.90. Any fees, deductions if they were to be done before the split. In this case, our deductions are coming after the split. It's hard to tell based on the zoom that I have on my screen here, but if I was to zoom out a bit, the agent's name will appear by default. The agent of the file will always appear here, agent on deal. So don't be alarmed if you have 100% zoomed on your browser that you don't see the agent name here. Now I can indicate which percentage of this finder's fee gross, remember we're pulling this finder's fee gross from up at the top. So I'm going to add my percentage down here, and it's taking my $45.90 and my $1,000. So that is $45.90 and $1,000 other income. And it is splitting that and giving me a total of $52.96. The deduction percentage is 100%. The deduction split $100. So Michelle Arujo is paying the full $100. The volume bonus was already split in the volume bonus area, $2,300. After our breakdown, we ended up with $21.79. So that's where this is coming from, and that makes our net gross $73.75.78. If Michelle is splitting this with a co-agent, we could click Add Agent Split, select the name of the agent that's sharing this income, and we have a total of 94.75% as a starting point, and I'm going to click the unlock button, and I'm going to take 50% of that and give it to agent number 2. So they're splitting the fee, they're splitting the finders, They're not splitting the volume bonus. If they were splitting the volume bonus, that would have been done in the volume bonus area. Let's have them split the volume bonus. So remember, the first agent gets 94.75. The second agent gets 50% of that amount. So now they're getting 1089 each. So let's see how that's changed our splits. All right, there we go. We have our gross finders and our gross other fees, 55.90. 94.75% of that is 52.96. The deduction was 100% originally, but when I added a second agent, now they're splitting that deduction 50-50. Volume bonus, 50-50, net gross, and the net gross. If there's anything else you'd like to add in here, including who the solicitor was, who the referral source was, any notes about the splits, you can add them here.